Hello, ma'am. We are Group 6 and our business name is Mo's Cafe. So our presentation overview. First one is name and address. Second one is cafe layout and location. The next one is company vision, mission, and goals. Next, organizational chart. Next one is customer or user characteristics and miscellaneous factors. Next one is mood boards, and the last one is the contact number. So this is our layout. This presentation summarize how a space will be organized in terms of furniture placement, floor design, ceiling design, land plot dimensions. And it is a typical set of plans used in architecture and interior design to visually communicate the complete spatial design of a project. Next one is our sectional functions. Um, this presentation illustrates how sectional views of the building showing the internal layout and furniture arrangements across different areas like the bar, kitchen, and seating zones. It also highlights the wall materials used in the design, including random rubble stone, road cut sandstone, polished concrete, terracotta cladding, and together these sections and materials communicate the spatial planning and aesthetic style of the interior. So for our address, it is in Alabang Sapote Road, Pamplona 3, Las Piñas City, 1740 in front of University of Perpetual Health System Delta. For our company vision, mission, and goal, our vision is to be the good to neighborhood cafe where people feel at home, connect with others, and enjoy quality coffee and comfort food. For our mission, to serve delicious, high quality beverages and food in a cozy, welcoming space while supporting local communities and promoting sustainability. For our goal, to build a loyal customer base by offering excellent service, consistent quality, and a warm atmosphere that keeps people coming back. So, we're organizational chart, Angelica Labaydan as a owner and Queen Rebulliar as a co-owner. For our customer or user characteristics and miscellaneous factors, our target market are young professionals and students who are local residences and remote workers. And our menu type and specially offerings and experiences are modern cafe menu, a balanced mix of classic favorites and trendy and healthy conscious options. Our time of operation is 10 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. And our type of operation is the counter service cafe. This is customers place their orders at the counter and pay upfront and either take their order to go or have it brought to their table. This model keeps things simple, efficient, and cost effective. And this is our menu. So for our color scheme, we have creamy white beige. It is soft, calming, and clean, great for walls or menus to keep things light and spacious. For light tan or sand, neutral and grounding works well in furniture or tabletops for a natural look. Sage green is earthy, fresh, and calming, perfect for plants, accents, or branding to signal health and eco-friendliness. For warm too, cozy and inviting, ideal for rustic, good textures, or logo details. For forest green, it is deep, rich, and peaceful, a bold accent for signage, uniforms, or mugs. For olive green, organic and earthy evokes a farm to table, wholesome feel great for food branding. For the moss and khaki, slightly muted by natural good for upholstery or reusable packaging. For dark brown or charcoal, strong grounded and classic noise for furniture. Countertops are your cafe's logo for a timeless touch. So here's our mood board of the most cafe.
Um, Illuminations. Most cafe use warm white highlighting the create causing natural vibes accent light highlighting plants, art, and key features enhancing the earthy interior and making the space feel inviting. Next slide. Acoustic noise and music. Creating the right sound environment is key. Most cafe will use soft materials like cautious curtains and rugs and wood to absorb noise and reduce echo and ensuring a lively yet comfortable space for con- con- conversations. Next slide. Um, Climate, lane, and order. Most cafe focuses on creating a warm, inviting atmosphere through comfortable climate control and place, placement sense. Those elements enhance the over experience, making the space feel cozy, memorable, and true to the cafe's brand. Next slide. Um, furni- furniture, furnishing, furn- furnishing. Most cafes features causing seating like and chair, armchairs and luggage, long, luggage chairs in soft rubric and earthy tones. Placed in inviting spots, those spaces enhance comfort and match the cafe rustic and relaxed vibes. Next slide. Table appointments. Most cafe use 60 inches round folding tables with metals like practical space saving and easy to store. Next slide. Type of seating. Most cafe use a simple wooden bar stools, stools with round seat footrest and sturdy legs. They, they come in a tree wood stained color, adding both function and style. Next slide. Exterior design. Most cafe features a warm, modern exterior with a rustic touches, creating a charming and inviting look. It sets the tone for a cozy, automatic experience. The warm and customers zone. Next slide na. Ala, tapos na ako dun eh. Uh, and for our slide another, we use plants and mostly we use wood for our tables and chairs and the light is more on wood and next slide. And then we use then um, carpet for enhance the vibes of our cafe and all it with all these um wood like table like I said in the previous page and we use materials like all 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 is good like like and the rattan like yung sa table ay sa upuan namin and that's like and that's all po. Thank you for listening. Ti, ba't gano'n naman yung ginawa mo? Tapos na ako dun.